Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove Passkey from Google account. First of all, you can open the Google application. I can already open the Google. After opening the Google, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on manage your Google account, and after a few seconds of loading you can see this type of interface. You can just simply now tap on security, and here you can just simply scroll down, and in the how you sign into Google section you can see the option passkeys and security keys. Tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply continue and remove your passkey on Google account. And it is the way you can remove passkey on Google account if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.